Pratik Butala here, and today we are going to play more Among Us. This is with 3 imposters. Yes guys, that's going to be getting so much fun. But actually, in the last all Among Us videos, I am the crewmate. Please subscribe and like this channel to wish me luck that I don't become crewmate this time. So we are going to play in public. No. Okay, so I accidentally. Okay, so we are going to play public again. Sorry, I accidentally got out from there. Going to 3 imposters. Yes, guys, that's going to get so much fun. So, guys, I'm in here and you can see my color. My favorite color is cyan and my name is Pro God. Yes, guys, I'm Pro God here. So speed is too slow. Only for why are they starting? No. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Guys, already 8 people. You can see Cyan and Pro God again here. Okay, so 7 are there. Why is someone kicking someone? Okay, these are his friend, I think. Okay, 9 persons are there, and last, let's go guys, and we are going to start this game. Like and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Oh my god, why do I get crewmate? Guys, somebody called an emergency meeting. Who vented? Blue vented. Oh my god. Okay, green is countering him. Okay, let's vote. Which blue actually? White. Which blue? Okay, guys, which blue? I don't have any idea. Dark. Oh, okay, dark blue. Yes, it's dark blue because if it is me, nah, I'm just gonna. Okay, so I'm not the imposter. Everyone has voted him except himself. Okay. No one was acting suspicious. So guys, we need to complete our tasks. First task in admin. Yay! Let's yellow to yellow, yellow to blue, red to red, pink to pink. Done. Oh, I think he's. I think I have suspiciousness on green. Okay, guys. So you can say. What? Dark green. Apple. Okay, he's telling Doctor Who as his suspect. So dark green, she faked a task. Vented. He vented. Okay. So we are going to vote dark green because no idea who can it be. Every man, I can't even go anywhere. Dark green, guys. How do you know he faked a task? Oh my god. Doctor Who just left the game and wait. Light green has voted me. I'm voting him. Admin fixing wired. He left. See, he was the imposter. Okay. It is skip it. No. He has voted me. I'm not skipping it at all. Okay, so guys, everyone want to skip. Okay, if somebody told to skip, then they are skipping. Good. But yeah, she fixed admin's wife, although they were not to be fixed. What? Oh, wait. How do you know I faked the task? Oh my god. I have no idea what is happening. White, purple and yellow are not voting. Vote. I did, not you. Everyone. Oh my god. How can you say I faked the task? But yeah, she fixed admins. Not white, no white, yellow and purple. Oh, good job, good job. I am not the imposter. Why are you saying I just faked the task? There was my task. It was my task. I just completed it. And now I need to go here and fix this. Like yellow, pink, blue, red, blue. Oops, red there. And blue here. Oops, not connected. Okay, done. Okay, so let's go to security. Okay, I will do the med bay also. That's my what means task also. Inspect sample means we have time to inspect it, means we just need to go click here. It will do its work. It will give us some time. Till that I am going to go and complete the security task. Oh, dead body reported. Dead body, dead body. Anybody has any clear idea? Oh my god. Yes, yes, he is. I saw light green. Yes, light green is the imposter. I'm voting him. Vote light green. Freaking light green. Doing what? I was with black. We watched him kill in medbay. Yes, it is right. He was in medbay. Correct. Don't lie. I was in electrical. I will. Okay, he's voted and he is the imposter. What? Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. What I just saw was hilarious. Oh my gosh. I also don't know what is happening here. Means emergency meeting. Okay, somebody needs to see who it is. Okay, my gosh, what? Now this is the only time we need to decide who it is. Yes. Later we will get in trouble. Skip. Do we need to skip? Red. Oh, okay, we need to vote red. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's vote red. Everyone voted him. Red and black voted. That's pretty suspicious. Okay, I know who it is. Purple. Purple. It's clear purple. I'm not. No, he is going to kill me. No. Please. If he kills now, I'm just going to stand and look at purple. Stay here and let's wait till purple strikes him. Okay, it's purple. Guys, it's purple. Guys, it's purple. 101% it's purple. He told red and he was not. Means it's purple, guys. Vote purple. Purple, guys. Purple. What's up, bro? Purple. Yes, guys. Vote purple. Yeah, I'm also voting him. Yes, guys. Vote purple. Why? Vote purple. Oh my god. It's going to get hard. Oh my gosh. If I get killed here, he's not going to kill me, because if he is the imposter, he will not kill me because I'm the only one supporting him. So we need to play wisely, guys. We are going and doing our tasks. Yes, in security, fixing wires. Yes, yellow to yellow, blue to actually blue to blue, red to red, pink to pink. Done. Okay, So now we need to go to electrical to divert power to comms. Okay, diverting power to comms. Oh my god. Why would you? He just killed me. Why? You know everyone is going to vote you. I was the only one supporting you. You're dead, man. Yeah, you are dead. Bye bye. I found Blue's done. Gago Khana. You are the only imposter, bro. How can you find the body? You just killed him and reported it. It is self-report. Yeah, it's self-report. Yellow, vote him. Yeah, get lost. Get lost. You were the imposter. You took fight of me. Go guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.